Hello, I'm Bob, and today I'm going to show you how CanvasCrack works, a useful tool that lets you switch browser tabs, use ChatGPT, search engines, or notes during your Canvas exams, completely safely without leaving any traces. Alright, I prepped a Canvas test to demo this live. We're doing the clean version first. No CanvasCrack installed. Switch into my computer now. Let's go. Alright. So right now, I'm going to take this test without using any CanvasCrack or whatever, and I'll straight up pull up ChatGPT and Google to get the answers to the questions. That means switching tabs in the browser, obviously. Give me just a second. Okay. Switching over to the teacher account now. Check this out. See? It logs everything here. Every time you switch tabs, which question you're on, basically all the shit that can straight up bust you and fail your exam if you're trying to cheat. That's bad. Alright, now let's run this test again, but this time we're installing the CanvasCrack extension. Back to the computer right now. So now you can see I've got our app running in the background. It's active and doing its thing automatically. Gonna run the exact same test again, and we'll check the logs after. Give me just a sec here and let me fill the test with GPT and Google. Now I'm going to switch to the teacher's view. And look, logs are clean. The teacher has no idea we swapped cards and used GPT plus Google. Simple and awesome, right? Okay, now you know how CanvasCrack works. Visit our website at canvascrack.com to learn more details, or just go to canvascrack.com/install to go directly to the Chrome web store and install our extension. And now, relax, because you can finally have more time.